You can use the find and replace features in Excel to search for something in your workbook, such as particular numbers or texts or strings. You can either locate the search item for reference or you can replace it with something else. To do so, we have two options. You can either click on in your keyboard on Control F, and this should trigger for you this little window. Here you will type the value which you are looking for. Once you type it, click Find All. Here, for example, it shows us that we have two of this value. We have it in sheet 4, which is current sheet, cells 14 and B14. So in this two. And by simply clicking, the cells is being automatically selected. The second find option is that you can go to under Home tab, Editing Options, Find and Select, and you can click Find. To replace a specific value in a table, column, rows, or the entire workbook, you can just click anywhere, press Ctrl F in your keyboard, type the value which you want to replace. It might be a number, a text, or even a space which you want to remove. Click on Replace, and here you will type find what, the value, and replace with. You can decide what you want to replace it with. Once done, you can click Replace All. And as you can see, this little window or message will pop up and it will say, all done, we made X replacements. Click OK, and you can click Close.